How to back up messages on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to back up your messages on WhatsApp. So first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you're going to have to access your settings. You can do that by tapping on the three dots at the top right and then going over to the settings. The next step is to scroll down and find the chat section, where you'll have an option to back up your chat. So you'll see the chat backup option, just tap on it. And then from here, as you can see, you're facing the storage issues, so the backup wasn't complete. What you can do is tap on backup and it will forcefully back up the messages. You could also change the frequency of your backups. So I've set my backups daily because I need my messages, so you can change it. So if you want to back up your messages weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup, you could set it that way as well, or you can completely turn off your backup. And once you've done that, you can make sure to check your Google account. So if you tap on here, you can select other Google accounts to save your messages to as well. So that's how you basically back up your messages on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.